Hello students, in this video we will discuss about trigonometric functions. This is the third chapter of class 11th mathematics NCERT. Trigonometric chapter already you have studied in the previous class 10th, but in this class, that means in 11th class, level of this trigonometric function is high level comparison than 10th class. Now we will try to understand some basics about the trigonometry. As you know that trigonometric word form from two words, trigonometric trigonometry formed from two words. First is trigon plus second is metron. Since meaning of trigon means triangle and meaning of metron means measuring. Triangle and measuring, that means sides of triangle measuring, that means measuring of sides of triangle, that means overall meaning of trigonometry, that means trigonometry is the topic of the mathematics in which we will study about the measuring of sides of triangle. That means in the starting in the trigonometry we will discuss only, or we will we have studied about only triangles, but that triangle should be right angle triangle only. But nowadays trigonometry have very vast, that means area of the trigonometry very vast, but and not only right angle triangles, but also this is applicable for right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle also. That means we can apply the trigonometry in each type of triangles. Out of triangle we will study, or we will apply the trigonometry in other fields, like in the geography, in the physics, in the chemistry, in the mathematics we already studied. That means area of trigonometry have very vast. Now trigonometry, basic trigonometry, that means already you have studied in the class 10th. This is related to only right angle triangle, like this ABC, where angle B is 90 degree. So AC will be hypotenuse, BC will be perpendicular and AB will be base. Since trigonometric function sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec, which is given with respect to this angle, that means theta, then sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular, sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base, and cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. These are the basic relations between trigonometric function and sides of this right angle triangle. some another formulas as like sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, and its derivative already studied in the class 10th. Some another identity related to trigonometry we have studied in the class 10. I like tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta, or cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Since as you know that sin theta and cosec theta both are reciprocals to each other, therefore we can write sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta, or sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Similarly, cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, or sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, or sec theta into cos theta equal to 1. And the same way we can say that tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta, or tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. These were the some basic formulas related to trigonometry, and it is also studied in the previous class, that means in the class 10th. Now in the next video we will discuss about some another topics related to trigonometry.